Good morning guys, so today is Sunday, so we're going to okay, so we just finished church and we're going to Hongdae now. We're gonna have lunch in this area and we're gonna look for Korean barbecue or Korean fried chicken. Okay, so it's not that busy today. I think Hongdae is like Myeongdong, so there are a lot of shops, but I think this is more into restaurants. So if you want to find a Korean restaurant, the barbecues, the Korean chicken, then you can go to Hongdae. Okay, the barbecue restaurant, they open at night, so I think we're gonna go to the fried chicken restaurant. So apparently this restaurant was recommended by Gordon Ramsay. So Hongdae is full of youngsters. They got a couple of performances like singing, dancing. Hi guys, so we're at the Go-To Mall Gangnam subway. You just need to stop at the express bus terminal station and then go to exit 8-1. And apparently, according to the local, this is cheaper than the Dongdaemun and all other shopping areas. So hi guys, so just finished from the Go-To Mall shopping area and now we're going to Lotte Mart at Seoul Station. But before we go into Lotte Mart, we just stopped at this cracker shop. Just want to try some Korean crackers. Okay, so we're having dinner at this food court just next to Lotte Mart. So we ordered this fish cake udon and choco bibimbap and bulgogi bibimbap. Okay, so we're buying Korean snacks at Lotte Mart. So I got kimchi fried rice, dumplings, and rice cake soup. Okay, it's our last night in Seoul. Tomorrow we're gonna fly to Bali. So we're at Dongdaemun again, and we're gonna find Korean barbecue for our dinner and bingsu.
Barbecue in Korea. Green tea bingsu. I think the base is the milk ice, and they make it like snowflake. They put it on top of it is green tea powder and red bean.